Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Audi Q7 55 Premium Plus. It has 355 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque with a 3-liter turbo V6. So the interior in here is pretty nice. You have a full digital gauge cluster, 2 screens as you see in a lot of Audis. And you have like the feedback on the screen when you press it, because it's not an actual button, it's on the screen. And you have heated seats. You got off-road comfort, auto and dynamic modes. Here's your backup camera. It's a 360 camera. You have a wireless charging tray over here, which is cool. Gonna leave my phone in that for now. It's pretty nice in here. And you have wood trim. Let's go for a walk around. You can also change the view in the gauge cluster to have the gauge, or yeah, you can switch it up a little bit. Bang & Olufsen sound system in this car. This one is white. LED taillights. Here are the rear seats. You got a bent seat back here. You can adjust your AC in the back as well. Quattro all-wheel drive. Here's the trunk, pretty spacious back here. And you also have a cargo cover. I've never really been like a huge Audi guy. I'm not even that familiar with the brand. I'm a BMW guy. But yeah, Audi, I don't know why for me. It's just I've just never really been into the cars, but they are pretty nice. Let's see how it drives. Seating position is pretty comfortable. Mirrors are good. Blind spot looks pretty good as well. You have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel as well. So I guess in phone apps it just means Apple CarPlay. I think this has Android Auto. I'm not entirely sure though, but I know it definitely has Apple CarPlay. Because some brands still don't offer Android Auto. I'm not sure if Audi's one of them, but I'm pretty sure it'll have it. Acceleration smooth. Definitely does take the transmission a second to get up to speed though. I think this has an 8-speed. And noise in the back, that's the little cargo cover, so don't mind that. But yeah, it feels comfortable in here. I like the gauge cluster. It's kind of pretty cool. And change the view a little bit, see what shows. Okay. So I'm assuming this one doesn't have that Audi virtual cockpit, in which it'll like show like the map or the road. Because typically in some other Audis, when I hit the view button, it would change it, but it's not really changing it in this one. So it's just switching between the gauges. So I think this one just is equipped with it. I might be wrong, but that's what it seems like. But yeah. Ride is smooth. Road noise is pretty minimal. comfortable. But it is a pretty heavy SUV. I mean, it's not really quick or anything like that. Yeah, I mean, it has 355 horsepower, but yeah, it's not like crazy quick or anything. No surprise. It's just a 3-row family SUV, luxury family SUV. Yep. Does the job for sure. Handling, the car definitely for a 3-row SUV feels pretty, the steering's pretty nice. It's pretty heavy in this dynamic mode. Because a lot of 3-row SUVs are really light steering, which I'm not a fan of, but this one has pretty nice steering. It has good response, steering response and feel. It doesn't feel unwieldy or anything like that, which is a good thing to see, because a lot of 3-row SUVs feel like a school bus, and this one definitely doesn't feel that way, which is good. Brakes feel pretty good too. Smooth stop. But yeah, this is a nice SUV. I like it. I mean, this one doesn't have the S line or anything like that, so it doesn't look all that sporty. It just kind of blends in. But if you want a sportier looking Q7, you'll have to get the S line. I don't know if they make an SQ7. I think they do. Yeah. Let's take a look at the infotainment system. So hit vehicle. You can change the drive mode right there too, as opposed to pressing the drive select button. Mess with the seats a little bit if you'd like. Hit the built-in navigation. Phone apps, themes. And then over here, you can adjust the air conditioning and turn on the heated steering wheel from that. So it looks like to do the heated seats and the heated steering wheel, you have to do it from a screen. But at least it's like a button. You don't have to go through multiple menus, which is a nice thing. And I guess that's like for your home link. And you can turn it off altogether if you'd like. And I like the feedback you get when you press on the screen. That's cool. You also have the 3D view. That's cool. Nice. That's pretty helpful. It'll turn in real time. You can see where you're at. I like that. Nice feature. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for pre-owned vehicles like this Audi Q7 Premium Plus.